report. You file a report by 2 weeks. Please come.
My lord, may I press this court? This is 21st January, my learned friend, my lord. Rightly says 21st January 2026 is the date a notification issued by the PSC. The following candidates have been recommended for appointment in different Group A service mentioned below on the basis of the result of the West Bengal Civil Service Examination 2023 Group A service. My name ought to featured in this list, but not featured due to non-consideration of EWS, my lord. My instruction is that, my lord, till date, the appointment, although recommendation
Have not been issued.
not been issued. That's my own instruction because I have no specific, my lord, notification in this regard.
All
So
right.
it will be kind enough, my lord, one post kept for this
All right.
candidate, my lord. That will be okay.
Mm,
Okay. Every service. Okay.
the petitioner participated in the West Bengal Civil Services within bracket EXC.
নাম্বারটা দিয়ে দাও দাদা।
Within bracket executive.
Okay.
ETC examination 2023
Okay.
in the EWS category. The petitioner was in possession of a certificate issued by the Additional District Magistrate within bracket DEV, Purva Bardhaman, dated 12th September 2023 for the financial year 2023-2024. As per the recruitment notice, a candidate claiming to be EWS must have a certificate in support of such claim from a competent authority issued on or before 31st of December 2023. The petitioner's roll number was included in the list of candidates qualified provisionally for the personality test, and thereafter in the interview. The status of EWS, however, was not disclosed in the list published for interview of the candidates. Did you appear in the interview?
Yes, yes. Well, then successfully
Appeared in the interview on 11th of November 2025, but his name has not been published in the final list of recommended candidates.
Even I filed this before interview, date of
Yes.
interview, I filed this reputation.
I have seen that published by the Public Service Commission on 21st January 2026. Stop. It has been submitted that though the recommendation has been issued, now it has been submitted that though the list of candidates recommended for appointment has been issued on 21st January 2026, but the letter of appointment has not been issued in favor of any candidate till date.
I have not received any instruction with regard to the
Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner relies on the judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Ashok Kumar Sonkar versus Union of India and others, reported in 2007 for SCC, page 54, wherein the court, in no uncertain terms, held that in the absence of a cutoff date specified in the advertisement, the last date for filing the application as would application would be treated as the cutoff date for consideration of the certificate.
Penultimate paragraph, para 20.
Yes, next. Prayer has been made to direct the respondent Public Service Commission to keep one post in the EWS category vacant in the event petitioner is able to succeed in the instant writ petition. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing Public Service Commission submits that a notice was published by the commission. Where was this published? In the website?
Website.
In the official website.
8th of August 2024.
No, ওটা না 21st January এটা
No.
Page 32 is dated 8th August.
8th of
On 8th of August 2024.
8th of August.
ওটা পেজে এলো।
Wherein it was mentioned that a number of applications have been received from several candidates in the EWS category,
Whose name was
that their roll numbers in the EWS category list, due to server/technical error, could not be found. Despite obtaining the cutoff marks 84.50 or more in the EWS category. Stop. In order to maintain absolute transparency, all candidates belonging to the EWS category who obtained the cutoff 84.50 marks or more, but whose roll numbers have not figured in the list of qualified candidates belonging to the EWS category, are requested to bring their original EWS certificate issued within 31st December 2023, along with original identity proof and application form in the Office of the Commission by 11th August 2024. Stop. It has been submitted that as the petitioner did not produce the original EWS certificate in terms of the aforesaid notice, the candidature of the petitioner has been treated in the unreserved category. Stop. Is your marks disclosed anywhere?
No, my lord. As per my knowledge goes, my lord,
No marks.
not even in the recommendation list also. Never.
না,
As-
এটাতে
মানে there are
তো এখানে কাট অফ মার্কস
my lord, in
In
there
that
are
case, how will the candidates get to know how much they have obtained?
every time, my lord, in PSC, my lord, this type of authority, they insist the candidate may the RTI application, and thereafter
1 minute. This notice is dated 8th August.
2000
You want the applications to be filed by 11th. You say that those who has obtained cutoff or more, how will a candidate get to know what is the cutoff? Within 2 days, certainly the RTI applications reply will not be made. How will the candidates get to know the cutoff?
pursuant to the notification, number of candidates that apply.
That means everybody
Resume.
submitted the application without even knowing what is the cutoff, whether they secured cutoff, whether they were not in the cutoff rank. Everybody who were there in the EWS, they have submitted application. But is this the way? How do you find out candidates? Or how will the candidates get to know how much they have secured in the examination?
That
No
has
way.
not been disclosed.
ঠিক আছে? On a query of the court, comma, learned advocate appearing for the commission admits that the candidates did not have the scope and or opportunity to know the marks secured by them in the examination as the
Preliminary examination.
preliminary examination, as the said marks were not disclosed in the public domain. Stop. Nor any personal intimation with regard to the marks scored by the candidates was made known to them individually. Stop. It has also been submitted that the preliminary list that was published did not contain any
When the marks are there,
mention about the reservation status of any of the candidates. Stop. The paragraph, according to the commission, comma, several candidates filed their applications within the stipulated time period, that is 11th August 24, in response to the notice issued on 8th August 2024. Step. Paragraph. To decide the issue as to whether the petitioner would be entitled to get the benefit of reservation under EWS category, comma, the respondent PSC is directed to file a report by way of affidavit disclosing its stand by 17th April. Release the matter on 27th April 2026. As it appears that a list of recommended candidates has already been published in January 2026, and the instant writ petition was filed on 10th November 2025, comma, to preserve the right of the petitioner to get the benefit of reservation, comma, in the event the writ petition is disposed of in his favor, comma, the respondents are directed to keep one post in the EWS category vacant to accommodate the petitioner. Stop. Anything else?
No.
Any further direction? Whatever you've got to say, you say by way of an affidavit.
Extremely good.
And keep this in mind.